Touch it. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm going with
And
waiting for Luel. Guys, our mic works na.
yeah, love it.
So, we're waiting for Luel. Do you think it's that silver car? It's Lou!
I told you.
I thought it wasn't in the van.
Hello.
Hi, Lou.
Hi, vlog. Ito nandyan eh.
Wait, baka... Okay.
Guys, where are we going?
My house.
Hi guys, we're
Okay.
dito ka kasi. We're going.
This is so against the air. Against the light.
Okay, I'm opening mine.
Sorry. Damn.
Okay, so
Kaya ba to?
no, not there. So, wait, I want this one. That's so cute. What's the name? Unspoken? Yeah, Unspoken.
I want everything except the ones I have.
And yung, oh my days. I'm gonna close my eyes. Ay, oo nga.
French bulldog or yung toy poodle.
I don't wanna see the card.
Okay lang. You don't need to see the card.
Oh, ang hirap buksan.
Wait for me.
Free, through, France.
I got Lucky Bunny.
I'm scared. I don't.
That's cute. I love it. Oh, it's okay because he already wanted it.
Yeah, I want this.
Oh my gosh, I keep getting the ones I
I
want.
should make those like similar. Paano magawa? Oh.
This is my first Erono. And I'm so
They're not your
happy.
first no?
Sorry guys. I'm like broke.
Broke mo mukha mo.
That's so cute. Be freaky, Ken. Ay, 2 copies na pala.
Of this angle.
I don't like this angle.
Being high suits me, guys.
Hi?
Wala akong visa doon na nagbe-billiard. Sorry.
What song?
Hey! Di ako fuckboy. Dude, that was so funny. Girls, like, I'm not feeling good. Yeah.
With a white shirt.
From Aquarius, it looks a bit
So Ken just bought a new cotton on.
Yeah. I think it's I think it's worth buying. Yeah. I think I'm gonna use it whenever we go gala gala.
Wherever you go. Look, Lou got me a Snow White. And it's so cute.
I'm so cute.
Okay, so it's my first time eating Yao Yao.
What's up?
We're gonna taste this Yao Yao.
We?
I'm gonna taste this.
Yes. But it's like yogurt. I don't like it.
Ano?
Tawa, Luella.
Ooh.
Damn. So far, so good.
What are your thoughts on the squatter areas and let's say the filthy areas of Manila?
So first of all,
First of all, there is no filthy area in the Philippines. It's just dirty. Okay?
It's just the same thing, bro.
so where the buildings are very old, there no one uses it.
gonna demolish all of that.
Squatter people, and they are also giving them jobs. So, as excuse me,
Give me the question. Come on.
well, will you give them more no, jobs too? And what will be the punishment if they did not do any of their jobs for, let's say, 5 consecutive or business days or more?
So yes, di naman lahat sa Pilipinas ay free. Kaya yung mga squatters na yon, 'di ba,
Hindi
bibigyan
naman yung tanong ko.
since 'di ba, di natin yung papayagan na since homeless ay hindi, squatters sila dati.
Tangin na, hindi kita di ba mahok?
Opo.
Tanginang yun. Yeah! So let's say, like half of the Philippines, let's say,
Hindi.
1 billion
Okay, wait
people
lang, wait lang.
ano,
Titignan muna natin yung abilities nila. Kunyari,
okay.
like,
So, magpapatest kayo, ganun.
yes.
Well, what's up? So, another added thing to that is we have ages, right? Some people can't work anymore. We are gonna have to utilize it over the age of 120. You can.
Who's gonna do that?
Basta 18 and above have like shifts of building. They can still do their normal work after their study, but they also have to build. Continue building. Like yung mga tao sa Egypt where they build pyramids. Ganun sila.
Kaya naman nila yun kanina.
Till we reach Australia. And we invade Australia. Take over the country.
Why Australia and why not Indonesia?
Okay guys, walang invading, lahat na tayo maging kaibigan. Hindi.
I devote you.
Maging kaibigan kami. Anong nangyari? Yung sinasabi ni Ken, maging kaibigan natin yung Australia. So, maging big army tayo. Tapos, maging kaibigan natin yung China.
And we make them
But,
work for us.
but, I have a question. Paano natin magiging, how are you gonna be friendly with China?
Tingnan
But, they are stealing
Si Doc.
the West Philippine Sea, and we have a long going feud with them. What are you gonna do on that?
We move the West Philippine Sea sa baba ng sea natin. Then we
Tang
replace
ina, hindi na yun West Philippine Sea, bobo.
Hindi kasi. Sasabihin natin.
Alam na hindi nakikinig ng geography eh. Pero,
We take all the fishes dun sa Philippine Sea. We put it in Sulu. Then we can let them keep the West Philippine.
Hindi. Sasabihin natin,
Basta
share na lang
50%.
tayo.
No.
wag na tayo mag-away. Ang
We offered sharing. They said.
Please.
So, after we've taken over, Philippines is more beautiful. Skyscrapers everywhere. We will make artificial machine to stop typhoons.
That is impossible because we are in the
China made artificial sun eh. An artificial sun.
So,
and night.
pupunta sa jail yung mga hindi nagsa-Sunday mass.
okay.
We could get canceled for this.
Kasi, hindi nyo ba yung nakikita? Yung typhoon. Natural disaster yan. Si Papa God lang yung makakatigil niyan. Kaya kailangan magdasal tayo para hindi na tayo magka-typhoon.
But in the name of science,
We blow
In the name of the Father, the Son.
We make a big blower like this, blow ng air, and we blow the typhoon away.
what happens if the blower
Let's blow it to
doesn't
North
work?
Korea. Kunwari, this is our machine.
Yeah.
May nakitang kalaban, like, we could send this, boom, gumagano.
Gago.
Lilipat sila pabalik sa country nila.
All the corrupt peoples lang yung mga
Hindi.
mapa-fly out.
Balik mo nga yan.
All the corrupt people will fly out if you do this. So you're gonna boom, boom.
What happens if the corrupt people are actually the people who give the most significant?
Ba't
let's
sila
say-
kurap kung significant sila? Mas significant kami.
Why are you more significant?
Ha?
What is your doings to
My
make
doings?
you significant?
Di ako nagliliter. Nagdadasal ako.
My significance to the world is living. By us living, we are helping the world be a better place already. If we both die,
Philippines, not the world.
I thought we were going for world domination.
Order.
Kunyari, ikaw si China.
Yung inisip, tagal yung inisip. Wakanda, where they have to hide their entire
Hindi naman totoo
civilization.
yung Wakanda. This is real.
Kaya
life.
nga! Basta they hide themselves with an invisible border,
Do you know?
barrier, something.
Impossible.
Do you know?
And in the
That
actual...
barrier is Papa God. Hindi. Kasi, I'm telling you guys, each country has their own thing. Each country has their own
For those people, even though they do corruption.
corruption. Wala nang kotse. Hindi na natin yun kailangan. Hindi. May paan naman tayo. Pwede
What
tayo.
if walang
People on Earth, how are we gonna build a fat building?
No. We grab like a machine that will connect all our countries and make it into Pangea again.
The move, the tectonic plates move is because of the convention, the mantle convection, which is like yung lava, paikot-ikot siya. And
We'll
then
make it
the
stop.
crust is moving with them.
So,
Ganun.
but hanggang ngayon wala pa rin yung Atlantis.
Kasi movie yun,
Point
bobo.
made. Point made.
Bobo kasi. Tapos hindi naman totoo yung Atlantis.
Since you called the president and vice president Bobo,
Ikaw lang yung tinawag mo, hindi ah. So, this is our characters. Pangalan nila. Like,
He's a liar.
yeah, he's a liar. His name is,
Yeah.
I'm just joking. His name is gonna be, wait, what's his,
I feel like his name would be better, like,
Peter. This is JR, my king.
That's my crown.
Bye!
Bro, not another plot twist.
Guys, we didn't get to film an outro. Anyways.